Hello there. We are back. We are back at the Ghost Road, Spökpåfarten, the abandoned highway ramp in the middle of central Stockholm. And we came back to answer one of the most frequently asked questions. Is this place haunted? Unfortunately, no. There are no rumors, no reports, nothing that would suggest any kind of paranormal activity connected to this place. So, in the end, it's just an abandoned road. Nothing spooky about it. Despite the great weather, it feels like a little bit of an anticlimax. When I was here last summer, it felt like exploring something abandoned. But in the wintertime, it doesn't feel like an abandoned road anymore. It's just like any snowy field. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Look, someone found a lost cat. Oh, for heaven's sake.